Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, TuPhones, for free, back again with another informative video. This video is showing you guys, or not showing, but telling you guys how to make money right from your cell phone for free. How to get free money. It's money out there, ladies and gentlemen. No one in America or in the world should be broke. I mean, like real broke. I'm talking about so broke, you ain't got nothing. Okay. You got these smartphones, you got these tablets, these PCs. You could be making some money right now. I mean, it might not be no more than like maybe $20 or $30, but that could get you somewhere with each of these applications and referral codes. Refer people. Okay, refer people. Tell people about these apps. Tell people about these services that can help them, that can inform them, that can give them some type of uplift. Okay, now these are the applications right on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple App Store. Okay, and if you know how to side load and all that stuff like that, root, your Fire Sticks and your Fire tablets or whatever like that, you can also get these applications on your Fire tablets. Just letting you guys know. Google Play Store. Just letting you know. All right, so Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Mypoints, Google Rewards. Yeah, you can actually get free money with PayPal. And you can get free money with Chime. And you can get free money with Google Pay, GPay. And you can get free money with CashApp. If you're a content creator. If you got a YouTube channel, if you got a Instagram channel, you got a Twitter, you got a Facebook, yeah, everybody could be making some money right now, straight up. But this is about the apps that really you can start sending cash. You can start sending, and you can cash out today. Okay, so Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Mypoints, and Google Rewards. Now, Google Rewards is for Android users that want to pay for apps or streaming services, or even free cell phone service. Yeah, some phone carriers will allow you to use your Google Play credits to pay for your phone bill. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? So everybody could have had phone service for free. For free. All right, but let's just go to the Google Play Store, open that back up, and just type in survey. You type in survey, you will see the survey list. You got surveys on the go. You got Swagbucks. You got Google Opinion Rewards, Merchandiser by survey.com. You got surveys on the go. Oh, that's the same thing. Survey Junkie, Eureka. You got Survey Monkey. You got Autopoll. You got Survey Monkey Rewards. So Inbox Dollars, Fetch Rewards. There's a lot of money making applications, as you can see. You can earn cash by taking surveys. Look at there, it go. Get $6.25 off the top. Personalized surveys for you. Cash out your way. So no excuses, man. You could be getting free games. You could be getting free phone accessories, stuff like that. Small stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the small stuff. No, you can't buy a house or a car with this shit. I'm being real. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying the little small shit like accessories and maybe some shoes. Maybe you can buy some shoes and some clothes with this, $30, $50 survey money. Maybe you can. You can definitely buy some food. You go to Burger King or something with this. You can do that right from your fucking phone for free. All right, man. Look, okay, I'm done with that. But that's this what I'm talking about. We the for free game, man. We the for free game. I'm not saying you can do this for a living, but I'm saying you need something fast. That's what you want. You want that fast money? There it is, right on your phone. The fast money right on your device right now. That's the fast money on your mobile device right now. It's called an application. An app is your fast money. The apps. All right, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you or did you not know your mobile device can get you free money right now for free? Holla back at your boy. I will leave all the links in the description box as usual. Also, you can go back to my one video I did with Chime, how you can get cash back, special offers. Like I said, it included majority of these apps I just discussed with you all on this video. So jot down, take a note, screenshot, whatever you gotta do. Download this video if you need to. Shout out to the YouTube Premium subscribers. And you can pay with that with your Google Play credit. You can pay YouTube Premium with your Google Play credit. I'm just throwing it out there. I'm just throwing it out there. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy TuPhones for free. I'm out.